types that define _EQ_ are unhashable. I had a strange bug when porting a feature to the Python 3.1 fork of my program. I narrowed it down to the following hypothesis. In contrast to Python 2.x, in Python 3.x if an object has an _EQ_ method it is automatically unhashable. Is this true? Here's what happens in Python 3.1. The follow-up question is, how do I solve my personal problem? I have an object change tracker which stores a weak key dictionary that points to several objects, giving for each the value of their pickle dump at a certain time point in the past. Whenever an existing object is checked in, the change tracker says whether its new pickle is identical to its old one, therefore saying whether the object has changed in the meantime. Problem is, now I can't even check if the given object is in the library, because it makes it raise an exception about the object being unhashable. Cause it has a _EQ_ method, how can I work around this?
Yes, if you define _EQ_, the default _hash_, namely, hashing the address of the object in memory, goes away. This is important because hashing needs to be consistent with equality, equal objects need to hash the same. The solution is simple, just define _hash_ along with defining _EQ_.
This paragraph from this URL. If a class that overrides _EQ_ needs to retain the implementation of _hash_ from a parent class, the interpreter must be told this explicitly by setting _hash_ equals parent class _hash_. Otherwise the inheritance of _hash_ will be blocked, just as if _hash_ had been explicitly set to none.
Check the Python 3 manual on objects._hash_. If a class does not define an _EQ_ method, it should not define _hash_ operation either. If it defines _EQ_ but not _hash_, its instances will not be usable as items in hashable collections. Emphasis is mine. If you want to be lazy, it sounds like you can just define _hash_self to return itself. User-defined classes have _EQ_ and _hash_ methods by default. With them, all objects compare unequal, except with themselves, and x._hash_ returns at x.
I'm no Python expert, but wouldn't it make sense that, when you define an EQ method, you also have to define a hash method as well, which calculates the hash value for an object, otherwise, the hashing mechanism wouldn't know if it hit the same object, or a different object with just the same hash value. Actually, it's the other way around, it'd probably end up computing different hash values for objects considered equal by your _EQ_ method. I have no idea what that hash function is called though, _hash_ perhaps? Smile.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.